welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you a quick update on what I think the market's going to be headed towards, as well as give you an update on Crowcoin and crypto.com. So without further ado, we are almost at 10,000 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $8,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are consolidating nice and healthily above 25,000, which is nice, above 26,600 to be exact on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is coming up once again. We're almost back at the 47% mark. Probably going to be seeing that come up as we get closer and closer to that Bitcoin halving, especially seeing lots of this uncertainty in the market with the SEC attacking all the big players, all the big exchanges. You've got Robinhood delisting Solana, Matic, so many other coins. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. But something to keep in mind, guys. The SEC can only sue companies that are based in the United States. Keep that in mind, guys. I do think that kind of gives crypto.com a little bit of a safer edge because, sure, they do have exchanges. They have exchange access in the U.S. However, their operations are not based out of the United States. So keep that in mind. Please keep that in mind. It's just like with Binance. Binance US is getting attacked. But Binance as a whole is going to be absolutely fine. This is not going to take down the entire behemoth. That's why I think this FUD is kind of a little bit over-exaggerated a little bit. But when it comes to Coinbase, that is a little bit more tricky. I do think that they should be putting their ducks in a row and counting them, because I think that they are going to be kind of going to war with the SEC. And, to be quite frank with you, I'm sure that they will come out on the other side. It's just going to be like XRP and Ripple, how it's just been elongated over years and years and years. But eventually they will come out on top. They've got the funding for it, and I do think that they'll probably win and come out on the top in the end of it. The question is, how long will that take? But in the meantime, they're still going to be operating, so keep that in mind. So let's take a look at Crowcoin's chart, because we are somewhat bottoming out. The volume is coming lower and lower, and we are starting to make a flat line here. I do think that we are going to be hitting this bottom here, especially if we have a capitulation. And even if we don't, as we see Bitcoin dominance coming up, I think that it wouldn't be out of the question to see something like this happen, a slow grind to 5.5 cents. And if we unfortunately play around on that 5.5 cents for a little while, there will probably be a capitulation to the downside, especially if the volume really dries up. But as of right now, this is an accumulation zone. This right here is very incredible to be accumulating. I've been accumulating in this larger channel between the 5.5 cents and 10 cents. However, I've been deploying capital when we are underneath the 5-cent price target. So, guys, if you're in Crowcoin and you believe in this long term, then this is a fantastic dollar cost average opportunity for you. Not financial advice, but I do put my money where my mouth is, and I have been accumulating Crowcoin through my staking, and from what I earn. I do have a icy white, or I do have a rose gold. Yeah, rose gold card. I don't have the icy white. I believe Crypto Kip had that, but I have the rose gold card, and I get that extra 2% Crowcoin on my staking currencies. So I usually just take that and just accumulate Crow with that. But guys, let's take a look over at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is trading on this level here. We did get that move to the downside. We wicked to 25,000. I do think that probably will play out more, but as of right now, we are trading in this channel right here. I do think the volume will dry up. We'll probably come back to that, and hopefully we don't capitulate down. Hopefully the volume stays. But, usually the time capitulation, when the volume really dries up and you're trading sideways in a super tight channel, you capitulate down. Usually that happens when there's not much going on in the markets. But I'll be honest with you guys. A lot of people that aren't in the crypto space have been reaching out to me over the past few days in regards to the crypto industry being attacked by the SEC, because it's all over the news, which is very intriguing. Because usually, so back here in 2018-ish, this capitulation to the bottom right here in the previous cycle, this happened when there was nothing going on. Nobody was talking about crypto. The volume dried up, and then wham, capitulation to the downside. But guys, right now, we're in the depths of the bear market or the beginning of the bull market, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to argue semantics. But right now, I would argue that I don't see a massive capitulation coming right now through a time capitulation with low volume because there's a lot of people still talking about crypto. It's very, very intriguing to me to see how these cycles develop and change. I mean, the 4-year cycle is the most consistent data that we can draw to predict the future price for Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. But it changes. Each cycle changes, and it's very, very interesting to follow that. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. We can't wait to give away that $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. We're getting so close to 10,000 subscribers. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. All you gotta do is click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as these custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use in our comment section, as well as our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.